What is business logic and presentation layer?
Business logic is the part of your software that processes data, applies rules, and makes decisions. Presentation layer refers to the user interface, the screens, buttons, and forms. Keeping these separate helps ensure your app remains organized, easier to maintain, and adaptable to changes in how data is shown or handled.
Benefits of separating the layers.
Separating business logic from the presentation layer offers clear advantages. It makes your code cleaner, easier to test, and less error-prone. Features can evolve independently, so you can update the interface without changing the core logic, or reuse the same logic across different interfaces like web and mobile apps.
Common approaches to separation.
Many developers use patterns like Model View Controller, MVC, or Model View View Model, MVVM. In these approaches, the model manages data and business logic, while the view handles the user interface. A controller or view model acts as the bridge, enabling communication without mixing responsibilities.
Practical example.
Imagine a to-do list app. The business logic would include adding tasks, checking tasks as complete, and sorting lists. The presentation layer is the actual display, buttons, lists, and visuals. By separating these, you can easily change how tasks look without touching how they're stored or managed.
Best practices for getting started.
Begin by clearly defining what belongs where. Keep all calculations, rules, and data processing in business logic files or modules. Place interface code, such as layouts and visuals, in separate UI files. Use clear naming conventions and consistent folder structure for each layer to make your project neat and manageable.
Conclusion: build flexible and reliable software.
Separating business logic from the presentation layer leads to flexible, maintainable, and robust applications. By starting with this practice, you'll make future changes easier, reduce bugs, and create software that can adapt to new requirements and platforms.